Hello everybody, it's Niklas. Welcome to this new video on Tinkercad. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can work with the workplane and use this tool, the workplane tool. If you like my videos, don't hesitate. You can subscribe to my YouTube channels. At the same time, if you want to learn more about 3D modeling, start in the best condition with Tinkercad and master this online tool. Everything is on the first link on the description. Complete course Tinkercad, a course that I propose, many hours, many trainings, also example, different objects created in this course, first link on the description. So let's start with the work plane. I'm going to create a cube just like this first. And this cube, let's extend a little bit on this axis and a little bit on this axis. If, for example, I want to position just an element on this cube, I want to position a roof. Take a glance. I can create a roof, position here, and I need to drag and move, work with the right view, just like this, orthographic. And then I need to make some transformation, work on my left view also, and position this here, just like this. So I can position my element here. You can make something faster. You just need to use your workplane tool. So you click workplane, and thanks to that, you can create a new plane on one of these faces. In my example, I'm going to use this face, left click, and take a glance. Now, if I move with my front view, I have a new work plane directly on the face. And if I select my roof tool, my roof object, directly I can position here. So it's really, really fast, really convenient. At any moment, you can click on the work plane tool, left click outside, and you can remove this work plane. I want to position a cylinder directly here. If you click, you position a cylinder, you then create a rotation, 90 degrees. As you can see, it's not really convenient. Then I need to work with a view like the front view, like this, and just click on my object and drag and move like this. So as you can see, it's not the best, it's not very convenient. If you want to do this work faster, you just click on the work plane tool, left click here. Now I have a new work plane. And thanks to that, if I click on my cylinder, directly it will be positioned on the face, just like this. So this is why it's extremely useful. But not only for that, because you can also create new plane. If you go left click, you can also create plane on cylinder like this. So it means I could create a plane on this area if I want. So now let's see another example. Click on the workplane tool, left click outside. So you can also, I would like to position an element directly on this area. I can click on my workplane tool.